Hello everybody, we're back to Chinese Around You, the podcast that makes learning Mandarin simple. No matter you're just starting HSK 1 or already tackling HSK 6. I'm your host, Melissa, and today we're talking about something every Chinese learner struggles with, remembering vocabulary. We've all been there. You learn a new word in the morning, and by afternoon, it's gone. But don't worry, today I will share 5 practical, easy-to-use tricks that actually work. These methods are perfect for all HSK levels, and you can start using them right after this episode. Number 1, learn words in groups. Most people learn words like this: 苹果 apple, 香蕉 banana, 橙子 orange. That's okay, but it's better to group words by topic or use. For example, group all fruit words together: 苹果 香蕉 橙子 西瓜. Or group words for daily activities: 起床 get up, 吃饭 eat, 睡觉 sleep. Why? Our brains remember things better when they're connected. When you see 苹果, your brain will think, oh, this is part of the food group, and that makes it harder to forget. Try this today. Pick one topic, like food or family, and list 5 to 10 Chinese words for it. Write them down on a piece of paper and review them 3 times today. Number 2, use spaced repetition. Cramming 50 words in 1 hour never works. Instead, use spaced repetition. Review words a little bit many times over days. Here's how. Learn 5 new words in the morning. Review them at lunchtime for 10 minutes. Review them again before bed for 5 minutes. Review them tomorrow morning for another 5 minutes. Your brain needs time to save the words, just like saving a file on your phone. The more you check it, the less likely it is to disappear. You can try Anki to use spaced repetition automatically. You type in the words and the app tells you when to review them. It is very easy. Number 3, connect words to pictures or stories. Chinese words, especially characters, are often like small pictures. For example, 人 person looks like a person standing. 山 mountain looks like 3 peaks. Even if a word doesn't look like a picture, make up a story. For example, 电话 the phone. 电 means electricity. 话 means speech. So electricity plus speech equals the phone. That's a simple story. So actually, we also had an episode talking about remembering Chinese characters. If you are interested, feel free to check it out. Try this. For 3 new words this week, draw a quick picture or write a sentence story. You'll be surprised how well you remember them. Number 4, speak the word before you write it. Many learners focus only on writing characters, but saying the word out loud helps you remember it faster. Why? When you speak, you use your ears hearing the word, your mouth saying it, and your brain connecting sound to meaning. That's 3 ways to learn, not just one. For example, when you learn 谢谢 thank you. Say it 5 times out loud. 谢谢谢谢谢谢 Then think, when do I use this? When someone gives me something, then try to use it in a sentence. 谢谢老师 Thank you, teacher. Even if you're alone, say the words. Talk to your cat, your plant, or your coffee cup. It works. Number 5. Learn high-frequency words first. You don't need to learn 10,000 words to speak Chinese. In fact, the 300 most common words in Chinese are used in 70% of daily conversations. For example, 我 I 你 you 是 to be 不 not 有 have HSK textbooks already list these high-frequency words by level. Focus on them first, and you'll be able to make simple sentences quickly, which makes learning more fun. Here is an action step. Check your HSK textbook or search HSK, your level, most common words online and learn 10 high-frequency words this week. Let's recap. Remember, the key to learn Chinese vocabulary is not study more, it is study smarter. Use these 5 tricks. Group words by topic. Review with spaced repetition. Use pictures or stories. Speak the words out loud. Learn high-frequency words first. Start with one trick today, then add another tomorrow. You will see progress faster than you think. If you loved these tips, don't forget to follow Chinese Around You on Apple Podcast, Spotify, or wherever you listen. We post new episodes every week with easy practical advice for all HSK levels. And if you have a vocabulary question, leave a comment or send us a message. We'd love to help. Thank you for listening and happy learning. 加油！我是 Melissa， 和我一起听懂中文，读懂世界。See you next time.